This is how you use DermLite HÜD to take dermatologist quality photos of your skin lesion or scalp. HÜD fits smartphones between 58 and 78 millimeters wide. Place its universal mount on the back of your smartphone, squeeze it tight, then activate the slide lock. Position the DermLite mount so that it is horizontally aligned with your smartphone's camera, then attach the DermLite dermatoscope. To vertically center the dermatoscope over your phone's main camera, which is typically at the top left, simply start your phone's camera app and make any fine adjustments. Now is a good time to zoom in to get it just right, but be aware that on some smartphones, zooming in too far will switch to the secondary camera, which you want to avoid. Push the little power button to turn on the light, place it right on your skin lesion or scalp, and take a picture. Since HÜD is compatible with a variety of apps, please follow your healthcare provider's recommendation. To charge HÜD, remove it from your phone, disconnect the DermLite dermatoscope, and plug it into any available USB charger, including the charger that came with your iPhone or Android device. This is DermLite HÜD.